we have something like this for the sound. You can already hear it's just this whoopy sound, this whoop. To emphasize this even more, I'm gonna put it on the cutoff, and it goes up, so yeah, you already can hear that it's this nice gritty sound that we're going for. Not there yet. So as a warp mode, we choose FM from B just to get some nice overtones. We activate oscillator 2 and turn the level down and put the FM up a bit. Then we put up the octave to get the drastic effect. So when we're FMing, we are always going for like a higher value than the original one is. I mean, we could go lower, but it mostly doesn't sound that good. So, yeah, so far so good. We go to the effects page, and the first thing I'm gonna add is the distortion, just to bring it out even more. We can put the LFO on the drive too, so it follows like, yeah, this grittiness. I'm gonna put the hyperdimension on, turn the size down and the mix of the hyper, and put the mix of the dimension up just to give it a nice room. You can already hear the sound is so more stereo and in your face. So the next thing I'm gonna put is the compressor. I'm gonna put it to multiband mode and turn the drive up. You can already hear it's a lot crispier than it was before. We can put the release a bit up to get rid of these add effects and lower the attack maybe a bit. So the next thing we are gonna do is use another filter, and for this sound I wanted to go for something more crazy. So for these sounds are the miscellaneous things pretty cool. I used the comp filter for here and put the cutoff pretty low. You can already hear these are some pretty damn bad sounds. So I've put the resonance up, then you get these crazy sounds, so not that far, and put the drive up, and then turn the mix down, so it's not that pressed, it just gives this nice little tail.